Ever been locked out of your Buzzsprout account, staring at that dreaded "we couldn't log in, please try again" message? Let's tackle that annoying login issue, ensuring you can get back to podcasting as quickly as possible. First, let's check the obvious. Are your login credentials correct? Carefully double-check your email and password, ensuring there are no typos and that you're using the right case. If you're still having trouble, try resetting your password. Click the Forgot Password link, follow the instructions sent to your email, and create a new, strong password. Make sure it is stored safely, so you won't run into trouble in the future. If your credentials seem correct, the problem might be with your browser. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This removes temporary files that can sometimes interfere with website functions. Next, close your browser completely and reopen it. If clearing your cache and cookies doesn't work, try another browser. Sometimes, browser-specific issues can cause problems. For example, try switching from Google Chrome to Firefox or Safari. If, after all these steps, you still can't log in, it may be a server-side issue. Check the Buzzsprout status page or their social media for any reported outages. If there are no reported outages and you're still blocked, it's time to contact Buzzsprout support team. They can investigate further and provide personalized assistance. Include as much information as you can in your support ticket. By following these steps, you'll be back to podcasting in no time. Happy podcasting!